Let's read the objective together. Students will determine the area and perimeter of a shape and will solve them correctly 85% of the time using geoboards. So we're going to think back and use the knowledge that we have to remember area and perimeter. So with your shoulder partner, let's go ahead and talk to each other and remind ourselves, what is perimeter? All right, TP, when you're done. All right, friends, raise your hand if you can tell me what perimeter is. Cheyenne.
Perimeter is the outside of the shape.
The outside of the shape. Who agrees with her? Thumbs up if you agree. Awesome job. How do we find perimeter? Cabby?
By
Hey, Colton, can we please
the
go to step 4, please?
outside of the shape.
By measuring the outside of the shape. What math would we use, Sophia, to find the perimeter of a shape? The green thing, you can measure it. Okay. How would we get all of the sides together to make the perimeter? What math would we use to find the total of that? Jice?
Like you had, like if you have the exact length of a side, that would be the exact length to the square.
Okay, so if I gave you guys a shape, like this, how would I find the length of this side? Colton, do you know how I would find the length of this side?
Area.
Could I measure? All right, can we count the vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is our length? 7. And is this a rectangle?
Yes.
What do we know about rectangles? Corbin, what do we know about rectangles?
That it always has 4 sides.
It has 4 sides. And what about the 2 sides across from each other?
Equal.
They're equal. So if this one's 7, what is this one?
7.
7. Let's count this side from vertice to vertice.
1,
2, 3. So if this one's 3, we know that this one has to be 3. Are we done?
No.
What do we have to do, Cameron?
You had to add them up.
We add them up. The distance around a shape is the perimeter, so we add them. So we do 7 plus 7.
14.
What do you remember?
Length times width.
Oh, we're going to get to that in just a minute.
Got it.
I think that's another thing we're going to talk about. So 7 plus 7, if we double, what would it be?
14.
14. And we do 3 plus 3
8.
is 6. Now are we done?
Yeah.
No. What do we do with these two numbers?
Add
We add them together. What is 14 plus 6? 20. Because 4 plus 6 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 20. So our perimeter would be 20. All right. Now let's move on to area. Talk with your face partner and remind them what area is. All right, TP, when you're done. Face partner is the one across from you. Yeah, you guys have 3, so you guys are all right, Corbin and Cabby are done. Who else is done? Are you done with area?
The area is like this.
All right, talk to each other. Make sure you both know. All right, Natalie, what is area? The inside of the shape. All the stuff inside the perimeter. Hey, let's focus up here, okay? Be respectful. So if I had a shape, I need to find what first? Cheyenne? Do I need to find the whole perimeter? How do we find area? How about that? Jice? What's our math equation to find area?
Well, area is the inside of the shape, since I can see 10 cubes, so So okay, so 3, 6, 9, 12,
Yeah, but what if
15.
you didn't
There's
have
15
cubes in it?
squares in there.
Okay, you can count the cubes, but what if the cubes weren't there?
That's literally
Cabby, what could we do?
You could also try to see, like, you know how sometimes squares are as big as your finger?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you could put your finger on each one and see how many, and then you could try it on the other side and see how many you have total by times weight times weight.
Okay, Trinity, can you tell everybody our math equation to find area?
Oh, you can do it. So last time it was 7 times 3. You can see what's right there on the top, then on this side, and times them together.
Okay, so we need to find our length and our width.
Yes.
Okay, so what is our length going to be? That is our longest side. Cheyenne? 5. Let's see if she's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's our length. And let's find our width, Colton. 1, 2, 3. Are we done, Giles? Are we done? What do we need to do?
You need to do those two sides.
We need to do what with the two sides?
Label them.
Okay, we need to label them, you're right, but can we add them together and get the whole thing?
No,
What do we need to do?
you have to
We need to multiply. So what's 5 times 3?
15.
Cameron is my favorite number to multiply. So what do we need to do?
15.
How many times?
3.
All right, ready? 5, 10, 15. So what is our area?
15.
15. Now, since we have the cubes inside, can we check that?
Yes.
How can we check that with the cubes? Corbin?
Count
the squares inside.
Okay, can we do that really quick?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Give yourselves a pat on the back. Good job. Now, what are some things you could do at home that you might need to know perimeter and area? What are some things not at school that you could do, that you would need to use this for? Corbin?
Maybe by building a table.
Building a table. Awesome. Which one would you use, perimeter or area? Or both?
Probably both.
Probably
Because
both.
you would need how much big enough to put all of the chairs pushed in all the way.
Yeah, you're so right. You have to know how big the table is to see the chairs. Cabby, what can you think of?
Making a cake.
Yeah, which one? Perimeter or area?
Perimeter.
Okay, tell me why you would need to use perimeter for a cake.
So that way you can think how much big do you want it to be.
Yeah, you can't show up with a cake this big if you only have 2 people, right? Okay, Giles, what was your answer?
Okay, imagine there was a,
You may? Yeah.
Are we ever gonna learn about like this?
Yeah, we will.
Like what what the other mean and all that? 'Cause I know they kind of mean like they're like the angles.
Yep, yeah. We'll work on angles a little later in the year, but not right now. We're doing perimeter
okay, you
area.
had like a rectangle cake that is like,
Can I let someone else answer while you draw it out, and then we'll come back to you? Okay, Trinity?
On a bed.
On a bed. Why would you need perimeter area on a bed?
Because if you have a toddler and you do a king size bed, it would be too big.
It would be too big. You're right. Cameron, can you think of one?
The Joker.
okay, imagine
Hold on just a second.
cake.
Hold on just a second, Giles.
It's like the fractions and you can shape them.
Yeah, exactly. All right, Giles, go ahead and tell us yours.
Okay, imagine there's a cake that was, so imagine 10 feet long and 5 feet wide. That would be like that would be too long for, I think it would have to be 20 people to like to eat that. So if you had only 2 people, that would take forever to.
It would take forever. You're right. So we have to use perimeter and area every single day. No matter if we're making a cake, Or if we're planting a garden. That's what I thought of, if we plant a garden. If I wanted to know how much soil I need to put on my garden, which one would I need to use, perimeter or area?
Area.
Area. Why would I need to use area? Cabby?
Because it's the inside of an object.
It's the inside, so all the soil is where I'm going to plant. What if those stinky rabbits come in and they're trying to get all my fruits and veggies? And I need to put a fence up all the way around. What would I need to use?
Area. Perimeter.
What? Which one? Area or perimeter? All the way around my garden.
Perimeter.
Perimeter. So we use that every single day.
But
So what we're going to do-
They can dig underground.
You're right. What we're going to do is we're going to pass out some geoboards. Stephen, will you be my helper?
I love this.
And we're going to work with partners and make up our own shapes, and we're going to solve them together and challenge each other with shapes, okay? Now, what is your perimeter going to be of this one?
You're making shapes.
I know what I'm doing. Making my board.
It's kind of hard when you get those diagonal lines, huh?
Oh, what's the
No, I make.
Be a problem solver right
Can I
there.
make my own shapes now?
You can make your own shape as long as you use this side, okay?
Can I kind of play around?
No, I want you to find the perimeter area with Lucas 2 times, and then you can. What? In just a little bit, I'm going to give you guys some free time.
Wait, okay guys, so that's it's not shapes I made.
All right, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
Eyes on you.
Okay, here's the deal. I need all eyes. I don't have all eyes yet. Natalie. Okay, I need you guys to find perimeter and area 2 times, and then I will give you some free time at the end to make whatever shapes you guys want to. But you guys have to put on those thinking caps and get that done to begin with, so you guys can have fun at the end. If you guys can't show me the integrity to do it now, we'll have to just do the whole time.
I made so much shapes.
Alright, what is the perimeter of that big shape? What's from vertice to vertice? So 1, 2, 3.
Like this.
Wait a minute,
Okay.
and I made
Awesome job. So what's your perimeter going to be? Or the big green one? The green one all the way around here. Oh no, sorry. There you go. Yeah, this is 3 and this is 3. You did challenge yourself. I'm very proud of you for doing that. So 3, 3, 3, and 3.
Whoa! I made a rocket ship.
Okay.
12. Oh my god! 12.
So your perimeter is
12.
good.
Area. No rocket ship in my ground.
Remember, it's the space it takes up. So each square is one part of your area.
I made a short one.
Of the whole big shape, it's 4. The whole area. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, I have the perimeter.
Awesome job. Okay, friends. We're getting ready to have some free time. Let's go over what we learned today. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
Eyes on you.
Okay, so today what did we learn about?
Area.
Area and perimeter. What is area?
The inside of the shape.
The inside of the shape, the whole thing. How do we find it? Counting the squares inside. What's the mathematical way? Cheyenne?
Add perimeter and area together.
Oh, hold on. Remember we found the length and the width, and what did we do with them? Did we add? We times. What's another word for times? We multiply. Okay, what else did we learn about? There's area.